This is exactly how you can verify your TikTok business center without a valid government ID card. So if you do not have passport, driver's license, or national ID card, then you can follow this simple process to verify your TikTok business center, and you'll be able to run your ads smoothly without frequent ad account suspension. Are you ready? Then like this video and let's dive in. Open your business center. You can always find business center on this menu here. If you click on menu, you see business center, ads manager, and the rest. Click on business center here and it will load like this. Then scroll down at this left hand side, scroll down. At the end here, you see verification. Click on verification. If you see this pop up, just close it. You see this close button at the top right hand side. Then you will see business verification here. Click on verify now. Now there are two types of verification you can do here. There is business type and there is individual. So depending on the type of verification you want to do, if you want to do individual verification, then you'll be required to use any valid government ID card. Maybe your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Any of these will go. But here we want to do business verification. So you are going to use your certificate of registration or certificate of incorporation, or you can also use your business license. Scroll down, you select your country here, then input your company website. Now scroll down, you will see industry. Click on the drop down button. If your industry is not applicable here, you do not see any here, then click on not applicable. After selecting not applicable, scroll down. Now, these are the two things you need to look out for. This one is official certificate of incorporation. So if you are going with a company, you will use this one, certificate of incorporation. You see this one on the right hand side. This one is for business name registration. So if it is a business name, then you select this particular one on the right hand side. Okay. So the one I want to use for this particular client is certificate of registration. So I'll select this one on the right hand side. Scroll down. You will see this particular button here. Click to upload button. Select the particular certificate from your laptop. I'll click here to select it, then click on open. The document will be uploaded like this. Now confirm the business name. The business name on that certificate will appear here automatically, and the registration number on that certificate will appear down here automatically. After that confirmation, check down below, you see the submit button. Click on submit. After submitting it, it will appear like this. You can see right here, verification under review. So within 2 business or 3 business days at most, they will verify this account. Sometimes it takes just 1 business day and they will verify it. Okay. If you have any questions, just drop it at the comment section and I will reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that.